All right, welcome everybody. It's KB here, and this is a Dell laptop, my old laptop, and it is running a Windows 11. Yes, sir, I did install the Windows 11 on it, and yeah, it turned out that Windows 11 is installable. You know what happened a few days ago? Windows 11 ISO file got leaked, and a lot of people got hand on it, and it's all over the internet now. Everyone is talking about Windows 11. So, yeah, after doing some tweaks, some settings in BIOS, yeah, I managed to install Windows 11 on my old laptop, but I don't recommend you guys to install it on your hardware yet because there is only few days left for the Windows 11 official release, or at least reveal. So yeah, just wait few days. Don't install it. Okay, I'm a geeky guy. That's why I installed it. So yeah, because I had an extra laptop. This is my testing laptop, and it doesn't matter if it breaks or I always format this laptop, so it doesn't even matter. So my suggestion for you is somehow if you get the Windows 11 leaked ISO file, don't install. Install it on virtual machine, test it, feel it. It looks cool. Okay, if you really want to use this on your main PC, then just wait a few days. Okay, so yeah, let me show you here. This is actually a hardware. So you can see this is the Windows update, Windows 11, and I'm getting updates for my NVIDIA drivers, Intel display, everything. So this is actually a hardware. Okay, so let me okay, my hands are shaky, but whatever. So you can see this is Windows 11 home single language. And one more thing, if your Windows 10 was pre-activated, then you don't need to activate the Windows 11. I think Windows 11 will be free for Windows 10 users. Not sure about Windows 7, but at least for Windows 10 users, it will be free. I think so. Yeah, now let's get into the spicy stuff. All right, now I'm going to show you guys how to get this Windows 11 leaked ISO. There are lots of download links on the internet. Actually, if you manage to find one, if you're lucky, you'll get it. But I'm going to make my own link. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put link in the description for my website's post. In that post, I will put click here to download the Windows 11 ISO file. And once you click on it, it will take you here. This is a OneDrive website. Just right click and click on download, and download should start just like that. Easy peasy. So this is the Windows 11 leaked version. Okay, so as I said earlier, do not install it on your main PC because it's a early build. It's a leaked version, unfinished Windows 11. Okay, if you really want to try it on virtual machine. If you have extra laptop or something like that, just like me, you can actually install it. So I'm not going to instruct you because it's not a safe thing. Okay, I'm just going to tell you guys what to do if you want to install it on your actual PC. You need to enable secure boot and PTT, and that's it. You have to enable that, and then you'll be able to install this. So to create a bootable USB drive for this, you can either use this software called Rufus, and you can make Windows 11 bootable USB drive, or you can use this Ventoy. One of these will work for sure. And you know how to install it on a virtual machine. It's very simple. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I was about to make a full tutorial, but I thought that this is the early build and there are only few days left for the official release of Windows 11. So we should wait. We should all wait for the Windows 11 official release. Then I'm gonna do a proper how to install Windows 11 official. So this is whatever you want to say, clickbait title or whatever, but At least I'm giving you the ISO file. If you know what you're doing, then it will be good. If you know how to do things, then you're good, whatever you want to do. But as I said, don't install it on hardware. Just install it on virtual machine, and you just have the Windows 11. You can test around and do all the stuff, and you'll be good. That's it. The main reason for this video was yesterday I did the live stream and people were asking for the download link for the Windows 11 leaked ISO file. So yeah, I did it. Okay, I made my own download link, and you can download it and have fun testing the Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments, and let's just wait for the Windows 11 official release. It's June 18. So June 24 will be the Microsoft Windows event, and there we will see the Windows 11 release and everything. Okay, so I might do a live stream if I'm free on that time. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will put link in the description for this Windows 11 ISO file. You can go there, download and install it on virtual machine and experience the Windows 11. That's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.